Okay, to start with the part 2, we'll introduce the idea of divide and conquer. So let's understand about its concept. Divide and conquer algorithms generally have best complexity when a large instance is divided into small instances of approximately the same size. Simply speaking, if we find it too big to solve, then make it smaller until it becomes a manageable size. So we have to identify what is a base case. That is, the problem is small enough to directly solve it. And then we have a big problem, which is the original problem. We'd like to divide the big problem into smaller and smaller. So usually we just divide the original one into 2, and then divide the subproblem into 2 parts again, and then further divide it until it gets smaller and smaller. And the first step is recursively solve the subproblems. And then lastly is to combine the solutions to the subproblem so that eventually the original problem is solved. So in the case of sorting, let's have a quick review of the original problem, which is you have an input which is unsorted. To make it simple, it is an array of integers, and the expected output will be a sorted array that giving the order of the non-decreasing order. So when we talk about the divide and conquer, it gives you 2 very important applications in sorting. They are merge sort and quick sort. They share the similar idea that we have a base case which has only one element. Now remember, only one element. And then return. And about the divide, that is, we divide the array, that is A, into 2 sub-arrays. We name it first part and second part. Then it becomes 2 subproblems, that is, to sort the first part and then sort the second part. And recursively, we divide the first part into 2 subparts, becomes 2 first, and the first part becomes the first part of subproblem and the second part of first subproblem, and the iteration goes on. And then we sort them and combine the sorted first part and the second part. Eventually we will get the sorted array. You may find it a bit conceptual, and when we talk about the actual implementation, you will understand more.